Say you're in a Google Doc and you make a mistake. Let's say you remove some text that you didn't mean to do and you've moved on. You can undo the work that you've done and go back to the state that you were in earlier by clicking the undo button up here or Command Z on your keyboard. Command Z will take everything back to how it was. But if you make that edit and you close that tab and you go back to the doc, you can't undo. So there's a better way to deal with this. If you come up to File and Version History, you can see Version History. And over here, you can see all the changes that you have made to this document. So I can see on September 24th that all these green things I removed. If I want to go back to that version with everything on it, I can select that version and now I have everything back that I would like, and I can click Restore Version and my document will get taken back to what it was on that date. This is a really great way if undo or Command Z doesn't work. You can go back to previous versions. Version history works really well in Google Slides as well. If you go to File, Version History, See Version History, you can go back to previous versions and you can actually copy a whole bunch of slides and you can move them back to the version that you're working on right now. So you can get previous versions of what you've made and then copy and paste them back to wherever you need to go without restoring the whole version. I can also go back to version history, see version history, and restore back to previous versions as well, just like in a doc.